Cell and its organelles. Different organelles of a cell. 1. Nucleus. The nucleus is a membrane-bound organelle found in most eukaryotic cells. It contains the genetic material, DNA, of the cell and controls all cellular activities. It is surrounded by a nuclear membrane that regulates the movement of substances in and out of the nucleus. 2. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are often referred to as the powerhouses of the cell. They are responsible for generating energy in the form of ATP through cellular respiration. Mitochondria and can self-replicate within the cell. Reticulum is a network of membranous tubules present throughout the cytoplasm. It plays a vital role in protein and lipid synthesis, as well as the detoxification of drugs and metabolic waste. 4. Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is involved in processing proteins and lipids for transport within and outside the cell. It consists of a stack of flattened, membrane-bound sacs or cisternae. 5. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are small vesicles containing powerful digestive enzymes, the breakdown and recycling of cellular waste, damaged organelles, and 6. Vacuoles. Vacuoles are membrane-bound sacs found in plant and animal cells. Various functions, including storing water, nutrients, and waste, as well as providing structural support in plant cells. 7. Chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are found in plant cells and are responsible for photosynthesis. They contain chlorophyll, a pigment that captures sunlight energy and converts it into chemical energy in the form of glucose. 8. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are small, non-membrane-bound organelles responsible for protein synthesis. They can be found free in the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. Nine. Cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton is a complex network of protein filaments that provides shape, structural support, and assists in cell movement. It consists of microtubules, microfilaments, and intermediate filaments. These are just a few of the many organelles found in cells. Each organelle has a specific function and contributes to the overall organization and functioning of the cell. Understanding the roles of these organelles is crucial to comprehending the complexity and diversity of cellular processes.